Imagine this. You get out of the shower, putting on a dab of this and a spritz of that, turning your morning routine into a chemical bath. On average, an adult uses at least 9 personal care products a day. Do your own count. Facial wash, shampoo, shaving cream, moisturizers, lip gloss, which add up quickly. Many times we're putting petroleum-derived products that are genetically modified and animal tested. The possible result of using risky chemicals, such as persistent toxins that may accumulate within the body, can pose a risk to health and wildlife after a while. One of the thousands of chemicals, phthalate, is usually not on the label. In something that has fragrance in it is being banned in many hospitals because of its ties to reproductive changes in infant boys. There are also some changes that are being made for children's toys as well, making sure it is not in them. Unfortunately, when the Center for Disease Control and Prevention tested people in 2005, found that most every person monitored tested positive for phthalates. These chemicals are turning up in waterways, soil, and wildlife. Some companies are trying to reduce their use of these types of phthalates from their products, but not all. So how do you stay away from all this junk? Look for goods with as many naturally derived and certified organic ingredients as possible. Read the ingredient list carefully. The easiest thing to do is avoid products in which only a few ingredients are actually organic and the rest are synthetic. Using naturally based products won't have you dying to be beautiful, but being conscious of what goes on or into your body and feeling safe knowing your body is not in danger. If you would love to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the natural way of life.